Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So, as we discussed, as per our analysis, market has moved. I told Nifty will be positive and Bank Nifty will be closing in negative. So, this has discussed in yesterday's analysis video. Bank Nifty closed with 175 point positive, and Nifty was anyhow it was weak. It has given a 59 points negative close. So let's check the open interest analysis and we'll see what's the big player planning for July month. So we'll follow by FII. In future index, they were having a 67% long and 31% short. So today they have increased drastically 15% long and reduced 15% short. So they have 82% long, 18% short. In option index, in call they were having 4,95,000 of call buying. Today they have booked the profit in call buying side, so they have unwinded 2.44 lakh contract, still holding 2.51 lakhs of call buying. In put they were having 4.77 lakhs of put buying contract. Here also they have booked the loss in this, so they have unwinded 3.17 lakhs of contract, still holding 1.60 lakhs of put buying contract. Today they have purchased for 7,658 crores in the cash market. So see, FII turned very much bullish. You can see the call buying and call writing positions of FII. They have call buying of 57% and 43% call writing. And put buying they have 54% and put writing they have 46%. So still now they are having a call versus put equal number of hedging position they have now, but they are long in futures. Client are the retailers. In future index long they were having 41% long, 59% short. So today drastically they have booked the profit on the long side, unwinded 7% long and increased short by 7%. They have 34% long, 66% short. In option index, they were having 6.13 lakhs of call writing position. They have unwinded this in loss, 2.28 lakhs contract. So they have 3.84 lakhs of call writing contracts. In put, they were having 5.27 lakhs of put writing contract. They have booked a very good number of put writing contracts in profit. So they have unwinded 2.59 lakhs of contract, still holding 2.68 lakhs of put writing contract. Today also pros and client cash market report has not been published by BSE website. So now let's check the percentage how much they have buying versus writing. So they have 48% of call buying and 52% of call writing and 49% of put buying and 51% of put writing. So here also they are hedging in options, but they are very negative in future index. Proprietor in future index they were having 50% long, 50% short. Today they have unwinded a good number of long, so book the profit on long side, unwinded 7% long, so increased 7% short. 43% long they have and 53% short they have now. Option index in call they were having 1.15 lakhs of call buying. They have booked profit only in 15,000 contracts, still holding 1.31 lakhs of call buying contract. In put they were having 1.92 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded 87,000 contract in profit, still holding 1.04 lakhs of put writing contract. Operator in call versus put buying. Call buying they have 52%, call writing they have 48%, put buying they have 48%, put writing they have 52%. Here they are slight bullish in options. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty for coming week expiry, that will be on 4th of July. We have seen a very good number of put writing at 24,000 and still 24,200 also we can see put writing, and it's a call buying. We have seen many people are carry forwarding call buying options for future dated. So with this we can say Nifty still looks very much bullish. Let's check for Bank Nifty for coming week expiry, that will be on 3rd of July. Today we have seen a good number of put writing at 53,000 and call buying also we can see at 53,000 only. Till 54,000 there is a bullish contract opened. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nifty in 1 day time frame after giving a 4 green candle closing, still there is a very good momentum of going higher further because it has formed a very good volumes and it has formed a very bullish pattern. So don't short Nifty until we don't have any bad news in the market. We can just think of buy on dip. Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame. It is not that still positive comparing to Nifty. It still looks like a consolidation phase. But we don't have a short position here. It can consolidate or it can move slowly like a snail on a higher side. But we don't have short. We can think going long in Nifty, not in Bank Nifty. But we don't have any short positions anywhere. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.